Whether it's an iced coffee, a fruit refresher, or one of those pretty colorful drinks, having Nugget Ice at home has totally upgraded how I enjoy my beverages. It's the little detail that makes a big difference. This countertop Nugget Ice Maker has been the most convenient kitchen addition. It fits easily on the counter without taking over the whole space, and it runs surprisingly quiet. You barely notice it's there until you open the bin and see that perfectly soft chewable ice. It produces up to 35 pounds of ice per day, which is more than enough for family use, guests, or even everyday hydration. The one-click operation makes it totally hassle-free. It alerts you when the bin is full or the water is low, so you don't have to think about it. And with the built-in self-cleaning mode, maintenance is basically effortless. I've used it non-stop since setting it up. Cold drinks just taste better with this ice. It's efficient, it looks great, and it's super functional. I'm honestly so thankful to have this Nugget Ice Maker. It's one of those upgrades you didn't know you needed until you try it.